Now that our student has submitted some work, we can actually go in and annotate that work and add comments. So you'll see I'm back on my home page for my instructor, or as the instructor, and up here you can see next to my name I have this little notification that tells me that students have been turning in work. And I'm going to go down to the work I want to take a look at, which was submitted by one Jeremy Wickham, 2 test assignments. I'll go ahead and click on that. And then I can see I'd have a list of all of the students, if there were anyone else in this fake class. And then over here I can actually sort it based on what I received, what still needs to be graded, what's on time, late, graded, and not submitted. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at his work. And what you'll see is over on this side that it's converted that Google Doc that he turned in into a docx. And what I can actually do on this page is you have a couple of different options. You can highlight information, comment, strike out, draw, and then you can also add comments over here. So let's go ahead and show you how that works. It's pretty straightforward for the highlighting. You just select the text, and you can see it puts the color over it. If you want to put a comment, you can put a sticky note somewhere and say, "Hello, this is a comment," and then that's all set like that. Let's collapse that real quick. Click, anyways, and then if something is incorrect, you can strike that out. Things like that. Or if you want to, you can also freehand draw if you wanted to circle things or draw things like a kitty cat. But you get the idea there. And then over here, I can write in comments, "Hey, good job," and post that. And what's cool about the enterprise version is you can actually also do voice or video comments if you wanted to do that. I'm going to refrain from doing that here today, but you get the idea. So now I'll hit Save Changes, and that's going to then show up for my student on the other end. So I'll just flip over to his account, and you can see now I'm back on the student account, and I have my submitted assignment. I'll click on that, and it's going to bring up all the things that my instructor has put on here. So if I want to read what this says, hey, look, I can see that comment. I can see this weird picture that he's put on there for me, and everything else that he's done. If I wanted to reply back, "Thanks for the feedback," I can do that as well. So that's really all there is to it for highlighting and annotating student work. If a student wanted to then take this and work with it later, they can always go in and download that again. So there you go.